Good morning and welcome to a new week. I will continue working our small sled. We already began last Friday by detaching this upper box from the ski runners underneath, and now I will focus on disassemble these floorboards because they seem to be very rotten and not stable anymore. And I will also cut the front shears at this point, so it will be easier for us to combine the small sled with our bigger one, especially in the front to create a streamlined.
Though this area sort of looks quite damaged, it is not rotten through, and it could still host the new floorboard. While on this small list here, it is still in a very good shape, but what we do see is that by having still these older nails, the new plank that we would need to include, it would be damaged, and that we don't want. So I will take this list off, replace it, but still keep this original angle. And it's so lovely to see that most parts on this sled, they have been hand planed and treated with traditional linseed oil paint. It is coming off beautifully, so the restoration is gonna be very, very easy. Isn't this satisfying?
In the end of the day, all floorboards are fixed, sanded, and they got also their first layer of linseed oil. By attaching the floorboards, we paid attention to lay them in the right direction, so the smiling face of the wood is up. Yeah, it's a very good feeling to look on this clean surface now. And the next step will be to attach this upper box finally on our platform. While I was walking here at our platform, Lara was buying a horse in Saudi Arabia. The fire department was here to rescue the farm because the basement was flooded, and the dog of our neighbor was lost, which we found in the river next to the farm. So it was also needed to take a bath and rescue the dog. Yeah, a normal work day for us. And it's also important to protect my ears.